Glenda. Glenda. Show your outfit, Glenda.
You can make this one.
Mm-hmm.
And my dress. And my hair. Where's my jacket? I'm gonna show my jacket. And look at mommy.
Hmm.
And look at her jacket.
Hmm.
And then look at up her hair.
Hmm. And Labubu.
That's my little boo-boo.
Let's go, Bob.
This dog.
Ata. Manghihis ako daan or niya na lang?
I'm scared.
Manghihis. Ay.
I don't want to stay.
Ay. Ay, nakag-start na.
8, 9, and 10.
Nag-start na?
Start na.
Na, late na ta.
By revealing he's the bride. I can just good to hear.
And someone sent pastries.
Good for us.
Send these to my hovel, please.
The gowns last week.
Oh, maybe,
What's wrong, dearest? You got everything you wanted.
I know, but I want to be magical. For real.
Oh, but darling, yes. Everyone loves you. Believe me, that's all you'll ever need. Where's that smile? That's my girl. And long, it's just a place that's familiar. And the home's just what we call healthy dreams. The way we plan them. If
at long, long last receive your
Well, don't go up yet. Nabili. Bell. Yun on. Ay, princess na nako. Beautiful. Wala na people in the mall. Let's go out na. You want to wee or no? Go home na.
Glinda, is that you?
Glenda! Glenda!
Glinda.
Wala, si Belle na lang isa sa mall.
Glinda is you. You're wearing the Glinda dress.
Glenda!
Glinda. Ay, ang diman.
Sumugan kay Daddy B. Ahoy di sa siyahan, matagak. Na the other side.
Nag-hold ba po na no?
Alay, bidali. Glenda! How's the movie, Belle? Is it good? What's means?
Yes!
Inside the mall at 10 p.m. Going home. Hmm? Belle, how's the movie? What did we watch? We watched The Wicked. And you are Glinda. Alright, mong car, Glinda, oh. Go inside na. Here. Today is, unsa ta karon? November 24, 2025. Belle is 5 years old. And she watched The Wicked Witch. Come here, princess. Get in the car. Si Glinda. Glinda. Oops.
Don't close the window.
Bye, Robinson's Mall. Okay, Belle, good night to your viewers na.
Why Robinson?
Imong viewers kasi mami and si daddy rapod. Bye-bye na. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Pagkatiguan na to, ano na.
Lagi. Mo na mag-date.
Papa, Mama.
Magbutang na ko og date taga video.
Papa, Mama. Why Robinson's is closed? Why we're late?
Because it's nighttime already, oy.
Just watch the movie.
It's 10 already.
Why the movie is so late?
Because we arrived here at 8. Gabiin na tani mata. Gabiin na tani mata. Let's tuyok dito sa Dunkin Han. Para makita na to ang lights. This is Iligan City. Wala ba bitaw kayo makita na puro ko na ay McDo, may Jollibee. Mag-uro kayo ni this year. Bibo na ang tubod. There's Belle, bibi po kayo. Dirita magtanaw sa view. 24 hours. Ay, di dahil sila 24 hours. View na ka. Sige, Macdo. Agi itong Dunkin unahan. Pero rin mag-park ang jeep lagi no. Napoy Seattle's best. Bago ako doy. Napoy KFC diri. Kompleto na kayo sila diri. Dulo kay tanan. Dayon, para ang Dunkin. Ay, wala na nila kita sige lang lights. So cute kaya lang mga everything. No? As styro ra po nilang gamit na. May ana ako sa balay. Styro lang. Sus, pila ka ni ka years after na mag-watch ani. Sana ni Iligan.
Mas pasakay pa naman.
Hindi rin, ano ni building sunod. Ano oh. Zoe. Bugnawa eh. Gani, wala na gaulan o kusog.
Ano yun? Mapapalpas yun.
Wa naman gikuan naman yung suspended jud ilang klase. Mao ni ang wet market. Apalaw market. Sa pa kani siya mahuman.
8 years, 5 years.
8 years ago? Ay 5 years ago?
4 years lang mayor, di ba?
6 man siguro. Ay 3 man siguro.
6 years ago na rin.
Oh. Gabi no?
Pagmanat mo na.
Ang guwang paninibel. Wet market. Gari may mga sa una. Adi ba to? Adi na sa biggest crossing na. So, ang mga kapihan diri karon kay mga tubig na kay mga close. Tubig pa mga break. Diyan na bang open lagi? Oh. Ano to? Angel's Pizza. Ito na di ay. Ano yung isa no? Napakita tamo sa Angel's Pizza. Okay. Di ko pa to. Siguro kita na open like mga 5 days ago. 3 days ago. Sana iligan.